the rear, right?
Let's go. Come on, buddy.
3, 2, 1.
And here I'm inspired by all of that coming together. The First Nation, Farmer, Climate, Unity March. It's so many things.
I decided to spend my retirement doing the most important thing that I think we have to do on the planet right now, and that's saving it from climate change.
I was raised to be a steward of the land, so here I am. We need to take care of our planet and think differently.
We all drink water. We all are going to have effects to our children, our grandchildren, the future generations, regardless of what color skin we have or what backgrounds. If we all unify, our voices will be heard.
It's an injustice to our state, our soil and water, and our people, and it's a crime for the planet. And we've got to start stopping these things.
After Standing Rock was over, I felt like I wasn't done with the movement. We were invited to come join these beautiful people on the march, and I said, of course, the more the merrier, you know, the louder our voices will be.
I grew up in a farm in Madison County. I remember as a young child when they paved a highway between Winterset and Earlham. It was a good road. My dad, as a progressive sponsor, understood it, but at the same time, as a little kid, I just couldn't understand how somebody can just take your land. And that was the first time I heard eminent domain, and that's always resonated with me since then. I live in Pella now, and I like to drive out around, you know, the rural areas out there. It's really gorgeous, and I saw these wide swaths of land that are just taken from these guys right in the middle of their beautiful farmland. I mean, just beautiful land, period. Their livelihood.
The mixture of the farmers and the indigenous people is amazing. It's just a great unifying force. So.
Yeah, this is for the water and, you know, the future generation of everybody. Yeah, I'm just glad to be here and with all these people and meeting new people. Everybody's got an awesome spirit here.
Beautiful.
For me, the abuse of eminent domain is a frightening concept.
Yeah.
It gives major corporations, if this lawsuit is lost, it gives corporations an in, a loophole to go taking land wherever they want.
Yeah.
And then private citizens' land is gone.
Yeah.
That freaks me out.
In this new concept called intersectionality, where all injustice is connected. So whatever people do to fight any kind of injustice, it's all connected.
Yeah.
And I trust that the energy generated here will have some power when the 7 justices of the Iowa Supreme Court hear oral arguments on September 12th. I believe that we're lifting up something fundamentally important now and for the future for human beings in Iowa and everywhere. And yeah, I'm happy and proud to be doing it.